G'day, here's a parcel of knobby material from Lightning Ridge. It's got a little bit of colour in it that I can see, not a lot. It quite varies in space. Some of it's got black centres in it, but mostly knobby material. I'll zoom in. Right, I've zoomed in. This material really is just material to practice on when you're grinding. Have a look through it. Basically you're fossicking through it. It's not a lot of colour, but then it's a lot of material for not a big price. Still might find something in it, but there's no guarantees. As you can see, there's a bit of colour poking through there, a bit of green there, colour bar showing there by the looks. Anyway, it is what it is. Some of it's honey potch. Oops, sorry. That's probably a fossil. Call them Chinaman's hat. That's honey potch. A bit of that honey potch amongst it. Sometimes there's a blue flash in that piece there. Sometimes you can facet this and get interesting stones. Sometimes it actually, people ask me for it because they do want to facet it. But like this is lower grade material. And what you see is what you're getting. Hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.